going on, everybody? Aaron Labman here, owner of Attention to Detail Luxury Detailing and Coatings here in Highland, Indiana, only about 30 minutes from Chicago. Today, I am featuring this 2025 Rivian R1S Adventure. It was silver, and we did a full body color change paint protection film with T-Raps's Oak Green. Thank you, T-Raps for the support. We've been working with them for a while. They are fantastic. And what they do is they actually have pre-cut patterns that they send to you. So you can get all of your PPF for DIY. This particular client, DIY is not as easy as you think, but for this particular client, we took the vehicle from silver to oak green. Now, with this oak green, the patterns, they do require a little bit of stretch, but they came out fantastic. If you look at this vehicle, even up close, you wouldn't even be able to tell that it was silver before. So shout out to T-Raps. They, not a paid sponsorship, but their film is great. It sticks amazing. They've got a fantastic warranty on it as well. It's 8 mil thick, so it's protecting from your rock chips, your dings, your scratches, your scrapes, you name it. And the color is just fantastic. This oak green almost looks like one of the factory Rivian colors, which I love. But let me walk you through the process. Let me walk you through why Attention to Detail in Highland is one of the absolute best choices to get your vehicle color changed PPF or PPF in general. But let me walk you through the entire process. So the first step of the process, about 5 days ago, this vehicle actually underwent our extreme prep process. The vehicle has never been as clean as it was prior to us putting the film on. So we bring the vehicle into our prep shop. We actually have 2 shops here. And we bring the vehicle into the prep shop and we start off by doing a full foam wash. This is gonna remove all the main dirt and grime from the vehicle, and we're gonna clean up everything, the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, the brake dust. I mean, literally everything. Then we take a detail brush. It's very similar to like a makeup brush. And we go along every crack and crevice and we detail the absolute crap out of it. So we take a detail brush and we go on all the emblems, all of the trim pieces, the window sills, every single piece on the exterior we detail brush, and then we do another bath before we dry it. After all of that washing's done, then we do our decontamination phases. The first step is an iron decontamination. That's gonna remove any iron particles, any brake dust, and road grime that's on the exterior. And then we do a clay bar treatment, which is gonna remove any embedded contamination that's inside of the paint. Stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can feel it, you can hear it. If you've ever heard of the plastic bag trick, you can really hear that, all that contamination. And the vehicle, although it's only about a year old, it still had so much iron deposits and all of that embedded contamination because of the factory and getting the vehicle actually to Chicagoland. So after all that prep process is done, then we bring the vehicle over into our film shop. Now we have a dedicated state-of-the-art film shop that we have partnered with KDX on to make literally as clean as you possibly can for film installation. Now, no shop is perfect, but what we've done is we've made it so that the floors get cleaned. It's got AC and heat. It's got dust removers, particle removers, and exhaust systems, you name it. So we clean the shop as best as humanly possible to remove all that dirt and debris. So that way, when we're washing and prepping cars and undercoating cars back at the other shop, our prep shop, or we're going in and doing paint correction and sanding, all of that dust is not getting underneath your film. Because I don't know if you've ever tried to put on a screen protector on your phone, even like one tiny piece of dust or dirt or bubbles underneath is just, it just looks so bad. So when it comes to our film work, we're laying film on your entire car, your entire hood, or if it's a full front of clear PPF, your entire front, your big fenders, your front bumpers. I mean, these are very difficult pieces to lay, and I mean, if you're just doing it in the same shop that you're prepping in, then there's dust particles that can get underneath, there's debris, it's not as clean of an install. So we have this state-of-the-art shop, got lights pretty much 180 degrees. We don't have lights on the floor, but pretty much 180 degrees around the car to see every single thing possible. We have state-of-the-art equipment as well when we're working on the vehicles to ensure that no dust or debris gets underneath. And if it does, we rip it off and we do it again. That's the biggest part about working with us here at Attention to Detail, is that DRFT, the drift motto, done right the first time. Switching up the angle to the back of the vehicle, I wanted to showcase the badging, something that really stands out. So not only do we wrap and tuck every single edge that is humanly possible. Now, a lot of people have been letting us know, well, Aaron, I don't want all of my edges wrapped and tucked, and we don't. And the reason is because they will start to lift over time. But if you properly do it and you don't end the film on a radius, then they will stick for the next 10 to 15 years. So we do not wrap and tuck every edge, but we do roll the edges to make sure that you have the absolute cleanest install. And when you look at close-ups of this Rivian R1S, there's no silver showing. So it's pretty sweet. So not only do we do that, but also on the badging, we do remove all of the badging and then replace it on top of the film. That way you don't have any cutouts or anything of that nature. Even with clear, we do that as well. So that's one of the biggest benefits of working with us. We're gonna remove the badging and then we put it back on. So this vehicle went from silver to oak green by T-Wraps. I'm ecstatic on how it came out. It looks absolutely fantastic. So thank you so much to the client for bringing the Rivian and choosing our shop to do the install for your T-Wraps purchase. And yeah, this vehicle's set for the next 10 plus years. Protected from rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes, and looking like this with no fading, no yellowing, no cracking. Now, after all of the film was done, we did a full ceramic coating showroom package on everything. So we ceramic coated all of the wrap, all the PPF. We ceramic coated all the windows. It's like Rain-X on steroids. We ceramic coated all the black trim to really darken that trim up and make it last and fade at the same exact time as everything else. And we ceramic coated the rims, the faces of them, and the tires to protect them from a lot of brake dust sticking and all of that. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video, and hope you guys enjoyed this. This vehicle came out just absolutely fantastic. I'm stoked with how it came out, and it literally looks like paint. That's how good it looks. So I'm super happy with the results, and the film looks awesome. Client's protected and ceramic coated on every surface, top to bottom, back to front, roof to road. If you're looking to get any of your vehicle PPF, whether that's a full color change PPF, whether that's a clear on the front end like this M8 behind me, rockers PPF, or you're looking for anything else that we offer, detailing, paint corrections, touch-up paint, ceramic coating, our 15-year bona fide warranted Icon rock clear coating, our undercoatings, our cavity protection and rust proofing, window tinting, vinyl wraps, color change wraps, chrome deletes, and so many more services. You name it, give us a call, and I would absolutely be honored to help you out. You can call us, come in for a consultation, and we can get you taken care of. You can give me a ring at 219-533-8783, or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully, we can be honored to earn your business here soon. And visit us at my website, come see Aaron, AARON.com. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of your day, and make sure to like and subscribe down below. Comment with any questions or any comments. Thanks again for watching. Aaron with Attention to Detail in Highland, Indiana, out. Peace.